Hi, my name is Christopher Flowers, and I'm here to talk about my strategic plan, which is eliminating violence in my hometown of Topeka, Kansas. So, my whole strategy behind this and my reasoning behind this is just due to the overflowing of violent crimes that have taken place here in the last few years in my city. I figured that this would be a good avenue for me to go down as I get a team of people together and we try to help clean up the city of Topeka in general. So, going into this, I know I can't do this alone, so there was a team that I needed to recruit in order to make this thing possible. So, I started with people that I feel like I can trust and people that are from people that I either learned from or that I grew up around. And that's what I feel like I have with the core group of people that I have along here for my venture or for what we want to get done. The name of our team is the Capital City Cleanup Crew, and since we are the capital of Kansas, excuse me, I feel like it's really important for us to really focus on just trying to create peace and just make sure everybody loves each other and acts appropriately in an everyday sense, because I think that is what everybody wants eventually, right? So when I did my research over this topic, it was kind of startling to see that Topeka ranked as the most violent city in Kansas, and it ranked as the number 32 most violent city in America among cities that have over 100,000 residents. That's really uneasy to comprehend and even take into consideration. It almost seems like something like that wouldn't even be real. So as I started to really get into this whole thing, I just started to figure out how we could get people to help us and make sure that we could form secondary people along our team to help with the primary crew that I recruited. So we have lots of volunteer opportunities for people to come on to our staff that we have here and help us improve and reach out to the city. And we have a lot of people with different diverse backgrounds, so I think that helps us with the relationships that we are to try to cultivate as we try to go throughout the city and spread our message. So a big part of what we want to do is to speak at Washburn University, and we have a lot of people through our volunteer search who have relationships with students and staff at Washburn University. So that's good for us, and we can speak with a lot of people there and spread our message there, because when I was doing my research, it was shown that a lot of the violence in Topeka that contributes to that high crime rate is right in the central Topeka area, which is right where Washburn is located. And there's a lot of other high schools and elementary schools in that area. So I think it is really important for us to be able to hit that area and just let them know about what's going on around there and what we can do to help them try to get it fixed. And that's the main premise of my project, of my strategic project that I put together. And I'm happy with the plan, and I think this is something that could really be executed in a very efficient and successful way. So Thank you for listening to me today, and take care.